I want to be a nurse, a pilot, an engineer,